as a rake, like 2x4, ugly as sin, born premature. Mother had trouble trying to take to a kid that looked like a garden rake. Our sons are sons, and Dad wasn't proud, didn't make him feel like one of the crowd. Wood-cutting boys from up in the sticks laughed at the sight of Earl. He was treated like scum, and he felt like dirt, couldn't lift the chainsaw, make it work. Father often said that he didn't have a clue. Mother didn't feed him, and he hardly grew.
I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
So Earl disappeared for 15 years. Father didn't miss him and his mother didn't care. After a while they forgot about Earl, and his girlfriend said, "What up?" Stun, 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 Earl. Stun, 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 Earl. Stun, 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 Earl. In this little town, life went on the same till one hot July. No rain came. A great big fire set the country ablaze, and everyone cutting fire breaks. Oh, they saw it and they saw it, but they couldn't outrun the smoky fumes and the fiery tongues. They were losing fast. It was looking bad. Who would save their town? Save me! Save me! Nobody knew, neither foe nor friend, that Earl had grown to 7'10", with arms like culverts, legs like trees, fists like hammers, and hairy knees. Shame me! Shame me! Far off in the woods above the din and the roar came a sound nobody had heard before. Trees were falling like a tidal wave to a monster Johnson red chainsaw. His cutter bar was 10'2", turned the air all purple and blue. Tasmanian devil in 20 minutes flat made the landscape look just like Iraq. With the trees all limbed and the firebreak made, and the townsfolk saved from a charcoal grave, people gathered, shouted and cheered. Hooray! For this forest disposal unit. Lighting up a smoke, he laid the chainsaw down, said,
"I'm the guy who saved your town."
Then Earl knocked over a drum of gas just as he threw away his match. All the gas exploded and the town burned flat, and Earl ran off just like a scalded cat. It's been 15 years, his father said,
and he's still as stunned as me earth.
Sing it.